Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Identify the parent chain. The compound contains an amide group. C is equal to O connected to NH, so the parent chain is named as an alkanamide. Counting the carbons in the longest chain that includes the carbonyl carbon, C1 is equal to O, C2H2C3H, Br, C4H, Cl, C5H3, methyl. This gives a 5-carbon chain, pentanamide. Moving on to the next step. Identify substituents on the main chain. At C3 there is a bromine substituent. At C4 there is a chlorine substituent. The chain terminates with a methyl group at C5 conforming pentanamide. Moving on to the next step. Number the chain. In amide nomenclature, C1 is the carbonyl carbon. Moving along the chain, C1, carbonyl, C2, CH2, C3, CHBr, C4, CHCl, C5, CH3. So bromine is at C3 and chlorine is at C4. And for the final step, identify the substituent on nitrogen. The NH is connected to CH to CH2Br, which is a 2-bromomethyl group. This is denoted with the prefix N to bromomethyl. The parent chain is pentanamide, with bromo at C3, chloro at C4 and N to bromomethyl, substituent. Alphabetical order of substituents, bromo, chloro. Full name, 3-bromo N to bromomethyl, 4-chloropentanamide. Therefore, the correct answer is 3-bromo N to bromomethyl, 4-chloropentanamide. The correct answer is shown on screen.